Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be talking about Wipro Elite SVAR test. Okay. So Wipro Elite की हायरिंग में हमें एक टेस्ट देखने को मिलता है, which is Wipro Elite SVAR test. So the test is after completing your first assessment. Okay. So if you will complete your first assessment, generally, if you will get shortlist within 1 to 2 weeks, okay, it can take up to 1 to 2 weeks, you will get your SVAR assessment if you get shortlisted in your first assessment. Now to understand what is a SVAR assessment, we will go through the sections in details. Okay, so this is basically a voice assessment, or you can say a communication assessment, where you will be using your vocals to clear this test. Now for clearing this test, you will be getting some sections. Now the section contains questions like this. So you may get reading, okay, listening, then you may get speaking, and you may get writing as well. Now concluding these sections, first of all, we will start with reading. So what kind of questions you will get in reading? So there is they are the simple questions. You will be getting some sentence which will be displayed on the screen. Okay. So what you need to do is you just need to read the sentence aloud. Okay, so suppose a sentence is given on the screen, you need to speak that sentence aloud. That is the only thing which you need to do in this section, and it is the easiest section among all, because you actually need to only read the sentences. So this is the first section, okay, the reading. So you may get 10 to 12 questions around it, where you will be reading the questions. The most difficult part is listening and speaking. So talking about listening, so what is listening? Actually, in the listening part, you will get the voices in your ears. So first, make sure you are using good quality of headphones or earphones, because if your earphones or headphones are not good, you will be not getting the exact voice. Okay, or you need to actually listen more carefully. But in this section listening, actually, there can be multiple parts. So if we're talking about the first part, which is listen and repeat. So what you will do in listen and repeat, you will be listening multiple multiple sentences in this section. Okay, so you will be listening many sentences in this section, and what you need to do is, whatever you are listening, you just need to repeat that. But what is the catch here? The catch here is the sentences will be in multiple accents. Okay, so suppose there will be accent of US, then suppose the next sentence will be in the accent of UK, then suppose there will be next sentence in the accent of Africa, then suppose there will be a next sentence in the accent of Poland. So all these accents are different, right? So you will be listening the sentences in the different accents, and you need to actually repeat the same sentence. So that's why it is little bit tricky, and it is little bit difficult, because sometimes we actually not able to catch the proper accent every time, right? So actually sometimes it is the mistake that yes, we are listening the sentence, but actually we cannot get the exact words which are getting repeated in the sentence. Okay, so you need to practice this section more, because US, UK, Africa, Poland, many kind of accents you will be getting in this section, and you need to actually repeat the same sentence in this section. Okay, so this is your listen and repeat section. Then there are rearrangements as well. So you can expect the rearrangements. What is rearrangements? So suppose there is a question. Okay, suppose there is a question like suppose this is the sentence, Ram is going to school. Suppose this is a sentence. Now what is the rearrangement? If I say to school is going Ram. So this is the jumbled sentence. Actually, you need to place this sentence in the correct order. So Ram is going to school. This will be the order. So you will be getting the incorrect order, and you need to actually place the jumbled sentence into the right order. So this kind of rearrangement section you can get, in which you will be getting the sentence which will be jumbled, and you actually need to bring them into the correct order. So this is the section of rearrangement. Okay, then you may get the section of fill in the blanks. Now, what is fill in the blanks? So this is a simple section in which you will be getting some sentences. In the sentences, there will be a missing part. जैसे uh, जैसे सपोज ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है that they were waiting for the train from a long time. The train was dash. So if they were waiting for the train for the long time and the train was dash, that means the train was late. ठीक है? So these kind of fill in the blanks you may get where you will be getting a sentence, then you will be getting a dash. You need to actually fill the dash with the proper proper word. Proper word. Okay. So these kind of questions you can get in fill in the blanks. Then there is speak on a topic. Speak on a topic. And the questions from conversation. Now, what is conversation? So actually, they will be telling you one conversation. Suppose there is a conversation going on between a customer and a support executive regarding the defected product. Okay, defected product. So you you will be going to listen the whole conversation of around 30 seconds. Then they will be asking you some questions regarding the conversation. Okay, like what is the defect in the product, uh, is the support executive ready to replace the product. So these kinds of question you may get. So first you will be listening the conversation. After listening the conversation, there will be some questions based on the conversation. Then you need to answer the questions. Okay. So this is the section of conversation in which you will be listening the conversation between two people, and then you will be answering the questions. So this is the section of uh, conversation. Okay. Then there is speak on topic. So what is speak on topic? You may get one topic and you need to speak about it. For an example, your favorite festival. Your favorite festival. So actually you need to think about this topic for around 60 seconds. Then you need to speak about the topic for 90 seconds. Suppose there is next topic is global warming, or there is a topic of work from home culture. Work from home culture. So these kind of topic you will be getting for which you need to actually think about it in 60 seconds. Then you will speak about the topic in next 90 seconds. Okay? So this will be you getting in the SVAR assessment. So I hope the SVAR assessment of is clear, and what you will be getting in the SVAR assessment is clear. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video.